Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to order from AliExpress to USA. So it's pretty simple. First of all, you have to create your AliExpress account or log in to your already existing account and browse AliExpress application to find the product that you want to order. You can explore your homepage or go to search bar at the top of your screen to look for specific product that you want to order. Okay, so first of all, you have to check seller's rating. Let's go to some kind of item and go to seller's page by tapping name of the store below the photos of the item. And at the top of your screen, you should see percentage of the positive feedback. So you always want to aim for at least 95% of the positive feedback. Okay, so now let's go to this item, and first of all, first thing that you have to check is, of course, item's description. So let's go to product details and go to specifications so you can see them all and also read description basically of the item, and then you should go to reviews section. Enter reviews, and you have to pay attention to those reviews that come with photos because they can expose real quality of the item. And also check some photos that seller provides you. And finally, you can select quantity of the items that you want to order right here, quantity. Then you can choose your size, your color. So let's choose this one, and now you want to press add to cart button, or you can select buy now. So this is order confirmation page, and basically here you have to set your delivery address. So let's tap this section, and here you can add your address. You can edit already existing you can edit your already existing one, and you could delete it if you want to. Then you have to select your payment method. So here are many payment methods that you can choose, and here also you can add a new card if you need, and go to summary section. So here you can see all the value that you have to pay, and also you can apply some promo codes here if you have your promo code. And finally, when everything looks fine and you're ready to order, tap pay now button and confirm your order. And after payment, you can track your item in the section my orders at your account until it's delivered. For example, if you have some issue with your order, you can open a dispute to get a refund or replacement of the item. So I think that's pretty clear. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.